Welcome to the Fueiceel AWE16BC series by SCI Materials Hub. It's a scientific-grade alkaline water electrolysis test platform designed for advanced R&D. This video demonstrates the standard assembly of the Fueiceel AWE16BC alkaline water electrolyzer cell, from individual components to a complete cell. Insert the 8 mounting bolts through the cathode and plate, one by one. Once aligned, place the cathode and plate flat on the workbench. Ensure all O-rings are installed before assembly. Next, install the end plate gasket. Install the cathode plate. Place the cathode gasket on the plate. Install the reaction chamber assembly, keeping all holes aligned. Place the cathode nickel foam backer, ensuring full coverage and proper contact. Place the cathode electrode on the backer, aligning the active area with the reaction window. Place the pretreated alkaline membrane. Ensure a smooth, undamaged surface. Place the anode electrode on the membrane. Ensure full contact. Install the anode nickel foam backer. It provides support and thickness compensation. Install the anode gasket. Check alignment of the gasket and mounting holes. Install the anode plate. Verify flow field direction and hole alignment. For multi-cell stacks, repeat the bipolar plate, reaction chamber, electrode, and membrane assembly until the final anode plate is installed. Next, install the front end plate gasket. Then, install the front end plate. First, place the metal shims one by one. Next, install the nuts one by one, then finger tighten them. Tighten the nuts diagonally. A torque wrench is recommended for even loading and reliable sealing. There are 4 fittings. Install them one by one. After installation, tighten the fittings with a wrench. Install plugs on all unused ports. Verify all fittings and plugs are securely fastened. The Fueiceel AWE16BC cell assembly is now complete. The system operates on standard electrochemical principles. The separator cleanly isolates hydrogen and oxygen gases while allowing smooth hydroxide ion migration. Fixed depth reaction chambers ensure data standardization. Nickel foam backers compensate for electrode thickness, providing vital mechanical support and uniform compression. Key specifications include a standard 16 square centimeter active area, operating temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius, and multiple corrosion-resistant plate options. Our scalability matrix shows how the platform grows with your needs, easily expanding from a single cell to a 20-cell stack. The standard supply includes all necessary hardware. Active materials are left to you, giving researchers total freedom to test proprietary components. Enjoy a highly compatible open ecosystem. The platform perfectly supports industry-standard separators and a vast array of cathode and anode materials. For system integration, easily connect a co-tank, circulation pump, stack fixture, and gas separators to ensure accurate and safe data collection. Ideal for diverse scenarios, this platform accelerates catalyst development, separator evaluation, structural optimization, and university teaching with highly repeatable results. The fixture structure allows fast swapping, nickel backers ensure tight contact, and multi-cell options are perfect for stack scale-up validation. The Fueiceel AWE16BC series is your ultimate research platform. Spanning from material discovery to pilot scale-up, we provide the foundation for clean energy innovation.